Hi, to enable palm swipe to capture feature on Samsung Galaxy S25, just go in phone settings and from here find advanced features tab and then select motions and gestures. Now we'll need to scroll a bit down and this is palm swipe to capture. So to enable, just tap on the switcher and it will light up blue like that. And after that, you can just swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. Let's try this out. I'm gonna swipe the edge of my palm across the screen. And yes, it's working. We can tap this first icon, immediately crop screenshot, draw something on the screenshot, share to any social media and save to gallery. Also, we can do the same in any app, like that. And also you can use the scrolling feature. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.